Introducing the Snap and Slide. This is a snap designed specifically for paper crafters. It's got two little parts that just snap together, just like that, easy peasy. You can use it to easily make slider cards. You can also use it to make spinner cards. If you're making a swing arm card, these are great for that. And then this, I'm going to call this a bobbin spinner because I don't really know what that's called, but the inner piece rotates, all easily made with our snaps. So take a look here a little bit closer. We've got two parts and they just pop together just like that. You can take them apart if you need to, which I've already had to do once. You'll see later in the video. But they are designed to work with any of the standard slider dies that are on the market. Most of them have a 3/8 inch opening. And so you can see, you just snap it together on either side and it'll scoot right along just fine. You can also use a 1/4 inch hole punch, or if you have a die cut hole, you can go up to 3/8 of an inch in diameter there, and it'll still work fine. The head is about 1/2 inch, so you want to be a little bit smaller than that. Whenever you're making slider cards like this or the spinners, you do want a little bit of foam tape on the back side, just so that you can elevate the front panel from the back and allow the mechanism room to move around. But see, slides around just like that. Now to attach your die cuts on top, I like glue dots. You can just stick one on the top. If any of the glue dot goes off the edge a little bit, use your fingers to roll it back on top of the snap. And then you just attach your die cut just like that. And there you can see you've got quick and easy sliders or spinners. Now those swing cards, those are a lot of fun. I enjoy making these. There are different brands that make them. They have a 3/8 inch hole roughly in the top of the arm, or you can use, your own dies, make your own. But what I like to do for this is to just put a glue dot on the back of one side of the snap, place it down on the card, then you can slip the arm on top in between the two pieces of the snap there. Make sure that it doesn't get caught in that snap and it swings freely. And then one more glue dot on top, and that will allow you to place your other die cut piece over that. Easy peasy. Now you've got a swing arm card. Okay, so for this one, this is the one I was calling a bobbin spinner. I don't know what the real name is for it. That I just made it up. But what I did was I die cut a 3/8 inch hole in the center of my card front there. And if you're wondering why I snapped it together without the bobbin, the round layer, that's an excellent question. I was wondering that myself when I watched the playback. But it's a snap, so it's okay. We'll fix it. Same thing where we're going to want a little bit of foam tape around the edges just to elevate the panel a little bit and allow that snap to move. We can stick it down to the card base. And then here's where I realize, oh wait, I forgot something. So I'll just unsnap it there. And then I can put the other layer on top, snap it back together, and see it spins freely. Now same thing, glue dot on top, and then we can put our die cut piece. And then whatever we want to spin around the bobbin, we can just glue that on. And just like that, you've got yourself a bobbin spinner, or whatever we're calling these. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you've enjoyed this first look at our new Snap and Slide. They are really easy to use. I hope you think so too. They're available now. Get yours today.